Hello beautiful ladies and welcome again to ChriShar. Well, today I am going to explain to you what kind of possibilities you have to test your hormones. Well, there are actually a few of those tests online. One of them I purchased through a Canary Club. This is the package. This particular package, it's Saliva kit, which by the way, test your hormones. Saliva test is the best test, is the most accurate. And this particular test been sent to me through ZRT laboratory. Okay, now what is in this package? Well, obviously it's information about the company and the address where you have to send it when you finish it. And then saliva instructions. This is how it looks. Here you have explanation of how and which day you should collect your samples. It's some photos as well. It's very nicely explained, so you don't have to worry that you're going to make mistake. By the way, if you do make mistake, you still have a chance to wash out the tubes which are here in the package for taking the samples, and then redo it again. So this is what's in a package. I did mine, so it's already filled. Anyway, this is I purchased the saliva panel, which is testing your, I don't know if you can maybe get a little bit closer and see. I got my advanced saliva test, which is testing your estrogen, your progesterone, your testosterone, your DS, and 4 samples of cortisol. So now this particular paper you have to send afterwards back to the company, which is obviously having your personal data and all the symptoms which you're suffering. This test can be taken by men, by children, and by women. Okay, now obviously then you have to sign it down here and you put that document inside of the box. Now, so because I'm having 4 cortisol samples, I got my big tube, which is obviously as well for the cortisol, and other 3 tubes just for the cortisol. Through this one, they are going to be testing the rest of the hormones. Okay, so to take the samples, it takes about 15 to 30 minutes, and you have to fill it up a little bit more than halfway without any bubbles. Afterwards, when you finish all the recollecting, you put it inside of this particular plastic bag. Okay, you put it in. Let's do it. You put it in. You seal it with this tape. Okay, seal it, close it, put it back in a package. Put all the documents in. Close it. Well, I'm doing it quick, so it's kind of not well done, but anyway, you understand, right? And then you just post it to the address which is on this particular paper. Okay, now ladies, don't forget, there are other companies, there's other laboratories which are doing those tests. I've picked this one because it was the best price. I will give you a link to my website where you can find all the list of different laboratories. And don't forget that saliva testing, that's the most accurate for checking your hormones. So, I hope this was useful to you. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.